Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I will be baking this super moist lemon pound cake. Now let's bake. Now guys, let's break down the ingredients. First we have our all-purpose flour. We also have some granulated sugar, butter, eggs, lemon juice, lemon zest, vanilla, baking powder, and sour cream. And guys, you already know all the ingredients will be listed down in the description below. So guys, first I will be creaming my sugar and my butter. And I'm just going to cream that until it's light and fluffy. Now guys, occasionally you want to scrape the sides and the bottom of your bowl with a rubber spatula just to make sure that all the ingredients are properly mixed. So now you want to go ahead and add your eggs one at a time. Now you want to go ahead and add your vanilla. So guys, at this time your baking powder and your flour should already be sifted. Now I'm gonna be adding it little at a time because I do have a small mixing bowl and I don't want it to be mixing on all the flours all over the place. Like if you have a tiny mixing bowl like what I have here, go ahead and add it little at a time. Now guys, I will be incorporating the sour cream, the lemon juice, and the lemon zest. Now guys, beforehand you want to go ahead and butter and flour your bundt cake pan, and you want to dust out the excess flour. Now you want to go ahead and add the batter to the cake pan, and you want to bake this at a temperature at 350 degrees for 45 minutes to 1 hour until you insert a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. So here guys, our cake is finally out of the oven. It's super moist, it's so beautiful. I love it. So while it's cooling, we'll be making our glaze. Now to make the glaze, you need powdered sugar, lemon zest, and milk, and you want to just whisk that together until you've reached your desired consistency. And guys, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. So now when the cake has cooled, you want to drizzle the glaze over the top of the loaf, and you want to allow the cake to rest for 10 minutes just to allow the glaze to set before serving. Okay guys, you have to really try this cake guys. This was so lemon, it was so moist. Like, you guys really have to try it. You have to try it if you guys are a fan of lemon. If you love lemon, anything lemon tangy, you'll absolutely love this cake. And there you have it guys, the final product. This cake was super moist guys. I do hope you guys try this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Please to comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.